In this video, we're going to learn how to use Collevate Google Drive extensions to submit your documents for approval. By using Collevate extension, you are able to submit Google Drive files for an approval directly from the editor screen without having to move across the platform. Now let's see how it actually works. Some of the users might want to finish their documents in the Google Drive environment because it is more familiar with them. Let's suppose you have finished writing this document and it's ready for submission. At the top, click on the Extensions tab. Next, locate the Collevate app in the list and hover your mouse over the section. Then click the Start button. Now you can see the Collevate extension has been generated on the right. First, you need to fill out the necessary fields before submitting the file. Then, scroll down to the Approval tab. Here you can add users to review your approval. Enter the first approver's email address in the first box, then click Enter to manually add it. If you are having trouble with coming across the user's email account, you can also click on the drop-down menu, then click the Organization chart to add them. Simply search for the username from your organization, then click the Add Selected button. After all of the reviewers are designated, you can leave an additional comment in the corresponding section. For the last, please make sure to confirm if this last option is correctly selected to locate them easier in Google Drive later on. If everything looks good, please click on the Start Process button to finish your submission. Upon successful submission, you will be able to receive an email notification, and your first reviewer will be asked to participate in your approval process.